Storage hardware manufacturer QNAP has unveiled a new addition to their range of network expansion cards with the launch of the QNAP QXG 10G1T 5-speed 10GBASE NIC, which can be fitted to network-attached storage (NAS) all PC systems and comes complete with a PCIe 3.0x4 interface supporting both Microsoft Windows and Linux operating systems. Drives for Windows and Linux area available to download from Aquantia, the NIC maker. The QXG 10G1T NAS card is equipped with the Aquantia AQtion AQC107 NIC supporting 10/5/2.5/1 Gbps and 100 Mbps speeds. The RJ45 connector design also enables users to connect via their existing cables. Thanks to Cat5e technology and connectivity, transmission speeds of the card are capable of reaching up to 5 Gbps, while using Cat6a cables can deliver up to 10 Gbps connectivity. Joan C., product manager of QNAP, explains QNAP has leveraged the industry-leading Aquantia NBASE solution to deliver the QXG 10G1T, providing users with a flexible solution for adopting high-speed network infrastructure on their QNAP NAS and PCs.